All right, keep it steady. We're almost there. Pull her in easy now. The garage is ready.
Look at this rust. It's eaten right through the frame.
Yeah, and the engine block is pitted.
Hand me that wrench. Let's check the mounts.
Here, they're loose. This whole thing needs work.
Right, let's make a list.
All right, let's get this old girl up. Ready? I'm grabbing the tools. Okay, take it slow. Here's the hammer. Got it. Thanks. All right, crane's ready. Detach the lines. Steady now. Lift it clear. Good. Swing it toward the bench. Ground's prepped, starting the weld. Looks good. I'll get the panel ready. All right, bring it over. Holding it steady. Good. Tightening the bolts.
Let's get this gear assembly out. Now, clean the piston and apply some WD-40. Lube the parts for reassembly. Align the gear and piston. Secure the pin.
All right, engine's aligned, lowering slow. Copy, guiding it in. Easy now, watch the hoses. Looks good, seating now. Perfect, secure the mounts. All right, let's fire up. Hear that crank, she's waking up. Yes, full roar, what a monster. Looking good so far. Now for the modern touch. Beautiful, just beautiful. All right, let's get these chrome parts on. Got them right here. Perfect, hold it steady. Tighten the bolts now. Looks good. Now for the light bar.
Let's see what we've got here. Powering up the main systems now. Diagnostics are running. All green. Activating emergency now. Full power.
From decay to perfection, witness the resurrection of Elmwood Fire Department Engine 3, a symbol of renewal, restored to its former glory.
All right, let's get these old tires off. Careful, it's heavy. New ones are on, looks solid.